You know you don't want to be out here, homeboy. I got a video to shoot. Has found something. What do you eat, man? You're supposed to be helping me do this video, homeboy. What you got over there? Oh, man. Don't lick that. You are greedy. You greedy. It's fishy motion in water. Come on, fat boy. Hey, ready to do a video? No? You just gonna look at me. Lick your lips. You over here eating something. You're always eating. You need to work more. No help at all. What's going on? Your weekend gardener here. Out here to talk about sweet potato plant that I got with some slips. Got my helper over there. Hey man, homeboy, you want to do a video? Come here. See if my homeboy want to do a video. Okay, so I've received a bunch of slips yesterday. Well, actually Monday. Today is Wednesday. Hold on a second. What's up, dude? Ready to do this video? Okay. What part you gonna play? The sniffing dog. Okay, that'll work. All right, so we're doing some potato slips. And I put these in the ground yesterday. Here and here. That one's looking kind of beat up. I left some in the water. They're here. Looking kind of beat up. And I put some in a pot right here. And some of them are beat up. So here's what I'm going to do. 3 different experiments. 1, 2, 3. Don't know which one is going to thrive. But to help this one out right here, I'm going to add some fishy motion. Oop, just a smidge. Oh, you know what? Everyone's going to get it. All right. Now this right here is just in soil. This one right here I mixed up a little bit of coffee grounds, chicken manure. And we're going to see which one takes off. Wake these boys up. Might as well spread the love around. Okay, so these are, I got these from a friend, fellow gardener in the neighborhood, and she said these are purple sweet potato slips. I believe those are called Murasaka, but there's 2 types. Or 3 types. There's the purple on the outside, purple inside. There's a white on the outside with the purple inside, and I think there's a purple and white. Not sure which ones are these, but she did say they were purple. So stay tuned. We're going to see if they root. Fingers crossed. Peace.
Yeah.